Get ready to bring learning to life with our Augmented Reality Sandbox. This isn't your average sandbox. It's an immersive, hands-on tool that uses real sand, a laptop, a Microsoft Kinect 3D camera, and an LED projector to turn science and geography into something students can see and shape right in front of them. Using the 3D visualization program, you can easily switch between different activities, including building topographic maps, simulating lava and water flows, exploring seasonal weather effects, or even playing interactive games like popping balloons floating over a virtual landscape. Whether they're building landscapes or exploring how terrain and weather interact, our Augmented Reality Sandbox provides students with an interactive learning experience they'll actually remember.